Hi guys, my name is MJ. Welcome to the tutorial channel. So this one I want to talk about the MCE LB Works Lamborghini Murcielago, and I'm sure most of you has already seen my previous video that I've covered the grey version. This round I'm going to cover the rest of the release. In total right now there are already 9 variant that MCE has already released. Okay, so initially I think probably most of you guys have already seen the grey, the Zero Fighter, the blue, the red, and also the pink, and then later on these 4 colors was released. Alright, so this round what I'm going to do is just going to dive straight in. I want to show you guys the Zero Fighter first, because this is actually my favorite. I think MCE did wonderful job on picking some of these colors. I did a quick Google just before this video, right? What I noticed is that basically all of the 8 colors, I did see it all really, you know, they are actually real cars. They are 1-to-1 scale, all in those colors, apart from the Zero Fighter. The Zero Fighter, I've only seen scale models. I've not seen a 1-to-1 for this model. So that's a bit unfortunate. However, I'm really glad MCE made this. It's really very nice. So these are Resin models. That's why the price is definitely different from die cars. Look at that. Very nice. Very, very nice. The details, it's really superb, I would say. So this is actually one of my favorite casting here. The other thing I need to point out is the Lamborghini casting from MCE, right? It's slightly smaller than compared to the other 2 releases that they have, the Porsche and also the Ferrari. So I've already covered I've already covered the Porsche. You can check out in my channel. Okay, so yeah, this round I want to show you guys the Lamborghini. This is the blue, because this is the LB color, and then next we'll go to the red, the gloss red. So far the colors finishing, I would say I'm quite impressed with the quality that, you know, MCE factory has done. It's really very detailed. Okay, so that's the red, and then for the pink there are actually 2 variants. One is the gloss pink, okay, which I'm going to show you here. This is the gloss pink. I've seen only one photo on Google, so I couldn't tell if it's actually a gloss. I'm talking about 1-to-1, right? So I'm not sure if it's a gloss or a matte pink. I can't really see it. And for me, I am actually a huge fan of matte colors, so that's why I really like the matte gray, that they did. And when the matte pink came out, I was, oh, look at that. The matte pink looks so good as well. Look at that. Okay, so I'm just gonna put them aside for now, and then we want to see the green. I've seen green 1-to-1 as well. This is gloss. I like how they included the calipers, brake calipers detail. And the other thing that I've pointed out in the Porsche video is the interior, right? The seats, the colors of the seats will actually match the color of the car. So this is a green version, and you will see the interior, the seats, it's also in green. Alright, just let it zoom in a bit. I think this lime green looks really good as well. Okay, and then let's look at the orange. So same thing, the interior is actually, you will see the orange trim on the seats. Nice, nice. And also the orange calipers. Ooh. So I've already done a roll test on these. I used the gray one for a roll test. Yeah, this doesn't roll, and it doesn't matter because this, this will probably sit in the display case. I wouldn't be rolling it anywhere. And this is the matte white, and honestly speaking, this would be my second favorite. Look at that. Yeah, I've been always a crazy fan for anything matte. Yeah, I'm there. Look at that. Look at that. Very nice. Very, very nicely done. Here you go. Okay, so far there are 9 colors. Which would be your favorite? Let me know in the comment section below. And I have already uploaded close-up photos of these boys on my Instagram. Do remember to follow me there, virtutoys.mj, and remember to click on the subscribe button, like and share to follow me on more awesome diecast and resin model videos. Right? Thank you very much for watching. Bye.